As we spend more time at home, it is important to keep our living spaces fresh and inviting. Your home should be a welcoming space, not just for guests, but especially you. Simple DIY projects can help with this, and we've got some of the latest trends to help you update your home. You may also be considering a major home renovation. We can help with those too. Let's take a look at DIY tips and our solution for financing your next home renovation project. Avocado, amber, and other vibrant earth tones, along with wood paneling and shag carpets, are finding their way back into home decor. Easy to implement DIY projects can be as simple as painting, new carpet, or paneling a wall. Bigger home renovations may require larger purchases or hiring a contractor. Paneling an entire room, new furniture, or remodeling an outdoor space to the 70s minimalist design are probably more than DIY projects. This year's trend of copper accents for the home can range from a simple light fixture to furniture and beyond. Copper tones will add a warm glow to your home. Whether you use it in DIY projects, such as replacing doorknobs or adding a copper teapot on the stove, or hiring a contractor to do a full kitchen renovation or bathroom renovation. Copper is an eco-friendly, natural, and recyclable resource, and as environmental impact concern increases, the use of copper as sink, tub, and even countertop material has become more common. Major changes, such as entire kitchen renovations or bathroom renovations, may be best left to a contractor who is familiar working with these materials. Biophilic design, another trend for this year, means incorporating nature into your home. Think plants, plants, and more plants in 2022. Beginning in 2020, we saw people begin to integrate more indoor plants into their decor. This trend has continued and is now growing to include more varieties and larger plants, which almost take over the living space, even incorporating biophilic living into the design of a home. The simple addition of plants can transform your indoor space into an outdoor oasis. If you are looking to do a large biophilic design project, such as a live plant wall, increasing the size of your windows, or adding a skylight, it is probably best to hire a professional. While adding potted plants is a simple solution for biophilic living, changing the structure of your home is not. A licensed contractor should be involved whenever structural changes are being considered. Whether you are looking to complete your own DIY projects or you have bigger plans for your home, we are here to help. A 203K renovation loan offers you the opportunity to dream big and create the home you have always wanted. FHA 203K loans are part of the larger Federal Housing Administration's FHA mortgage program. They're federally backed and designed to help borrowers who would benefit from flexible credit and debt-to-income ratio requirements. While the application of the funds you receive are wide-ranging, there are some requirements you'll want to consider with FHA 203K loans. First, they're only applicable to primary residences. Second, they focus on repairs and structural changes. And finally, you'll have to establish an escrow account that holds the money for your contractor. There are two kinds of FHA 203K loans, the Limited, formerly known as the Streamlined 203K, and the Standard. The FHA 203K Limited, as the name may suggest, this loan caps off its funding at $35,000. It will help fund cosmetic changes. You can think of these changes as the ones that can be made while you're still living at home. For example, you can fund new carpeting, a fresh coat of paint, or appliance purchase and installation. The FHA 203K Standard. These loans fund major home renovations or structural changes that cost at least $5,000. The cap varies depending on the community, but you can replace, construct, or demolish different parts of your home with this loan option. With this renovation loan, you can think big. Examples of projects you can take on include adding a new room to your home, kitchen renovations, bathroom renovations, and other renovations, energy efficient upgrades, and plumbing and electrical upgrades as well. Simplicity. Wrap the cost of home improvement and a home loan into one easy payment. Refinance. Improve your home and reformat your mortgage payment. Customization. Turn a less than perfect house into a home that fits you and your needs. To learn more about our 203K renovation loan, visit our website at www.homebridge.com. Let's work together and keep your living space fresh and inviting.